जय श्रीमन्नारायण. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 10th చాప్టర్ విభూతి విస్తర యోగము 10th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, those whose minds are always engaged in thinking about me, and those whose minds always carry an exceeding loving devotion towards me, to them I will give the divine knowledge. I will give my sakshatkara, my darshanam, with all of my love. And then through that divine knowledge, through that my darshanam, they will attain me. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving a high level assurance to those who carries exceeding loving devotion towards Paramatma will definitely attain Paramatma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tesham satatayuktanam భజతాం ప్రీతిపూర్వకం దదామి బుద్ధియోగం తం ఏన మాం ఉపయాంతి తే. ఓం. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandam, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, "Oh Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining about an incident that happened in Sri Vaikuntham to Devatas, saying that, oh my dear Devatas, now Sriman Narayana coming to the seventh gate where Sanakadi and Dwarapalakas are there. We all have been watching and looking at Sriman Narayana's divine beauty and enjoying all the beauty and handsomeness of Paramatma. That Pundarikaksha, Tasya Aravinda Nayanasya Padaravinda Kinjalka Mishra Tulasi Makaranda Vayuhu. That Paramatma's divine feet, the thumbs, on the nails of the thumbs, the Tulasi leaves are there. And the Vayudeva bringing the divine fragrances of those tulasi and spreading all over. With that, we all went into a divine trance. Those yogis, munis who were in deep meditation are now reaching to a state of divine bliss while getting those divine fragrances of tulasi from Paramatma's Divyacharanaaravindas. Manasamuna nilpiri tadhyanaaspadudaina vani bhakta jana anandaika murtini. All the munis, yogis, they all were just imagining and visualizing divine Divyamangala Vigraham of Paramatma and keeping that Paramatma's divine beauty, divine handsomeness in their heart safely and enjoying like that. Such beautiful, handsome Paramatma is coming towards Sanakadis. Those Sanakadis are enjoying Paramatma's Sundaramurti, Sundaramandahasa Paripurnamaina, Vadanaravindam, such a beautiful face, such a handsome body. All of us enjoying the entirety of beautiness. And then we could not take off our eyes from the divine feet of Paramatma. Nakarunamaniishrayanam nidadhyuhu. Those Paramatma's divine feet are glowing and lighting with so much of effulgence. We could not take off our eyes. Oh my dear Devatas, we all were enjoying under the shelter of those divine Divya Charanaravindas of Paramatma. Sanakadi, those children are enjoying Paramatma. And in that extreme amount of devotion and joy, those Sanakadis started praying Sriman Narayana. Dhyanaspadam bahumatam nayanabhiramam. O Sriman Narayana, you are the one who is the goal of all the great yogis. O Sriman Narayana, Bhavadiya Mangalagabhira Parigraha Vigrahambu Me Manayamu Chuta Gantimi Krutardhulamaiitagamantimi Isvara. For so long we have been visualizing, meditating upon such beautiful Divyamangala Vigraham of Paramatma. Finally, we could see you with our own eyes. Finally, O Paramatma, you are giving your beautiful darshanam so that we are able to see with our naked eyes. Like that, Sanakadi started praising Sriman Narayana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 10th sloka. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam ప్రీతిపూర్వకం దదామి బుద్ధియోగం తం ఏన మాం ఉపయాంతి తే తేషాం సతతయుక్తానాం భజతాం ప్రీతిపూర్వకం దదామి బుద్ధియోగం తం ఏన మాం ఉపయాంతి తే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.